Good afternoon, everyone. I am Yamni Naidu from degree second year. Today I want to explore the topic about the role of drones in the transforming agriculture in Andhra Pradesh. As we know that the agriculture is the backbone of our AP economy, and it is leading the agricultural state in the India. However, the traditional farming methods are the often it is high labor intensive and time consuming. Because of that, we are introducing the drone technology in the Andhra Pradesh. And however, the drones are highly advanced sensors. It consisting of the cameras. It captures the images of the crops, and it detects the soil moisture levels. The farmers are very helpful because it monitors the soil health, and it detects the diseases of the crops, and it optimizes the irrigation system, and it reduces the water wastage, and it analyzes the soil conditions, whether the pH level of the soil is acidic or in basic, and it targeted the specific fertilizers based on the soil conditions. The government of Andhra Pradesh already started the initiatives to promote the drone-based technology in Andhra Pradesh. The Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh already announced the 300 acres of the drone hub technology in the Urvakal at the Kurnool district with the over the 35,000 pilots. It is overall because we have to increase the crop production, have to encourage the farmers and get aware to the farmers to invest in the drones, better the brighter future for the farmers. Thank you for this giving the golden opportunity.